Hey guys, it's me, Jason. Today, I know it's going to rain for several days, except some days it might not be raining, so it might not be rainy. So anyways, time may change. So yep, we'll we'll see about it. It's going to rain today, but I don't know about tomorrow, so we'll see. So yeah, for now it stopped raining, so it might rain next period. So see ya if it rains, or if not, maybe a couple periods from now. So yeah, I think it's going to start going to raining right now. It didn't rain second period, so I didn't vlog for that. So yeah, I think my phone's going to be red, so I should stop. So yeah, I don't think the sun's going to bright for the rest of the day. I think I'm hearing sprinkles. It rained at the beginning of the third period, so yeah. Yep, I heard it might rain next period. Or maybe not. Lunch, fifth, I don't care. We'll see.
Hi, Andrew.
She ain't got a boyfriend no more.
So yep, anyways, I think it's going to rain, so it's still raining anyways. So yep, I think it might rain all day for the rest of the day. So yeah, see ya next period.
Yeah, it was.
The thunder may happen after school, but I could be home at that time. So yep. It's fourth period. It's almost time for lunch anyways. So I don't know if it's going to rain there. So we'll see. So yep. We'll see. And I'm watching a movie called Bad Boys for life, but I cannot show you. Although I can show you on Snapchat. So you, except I'm not adding the vids on Snapchat or YouTube. So yep. So yeah, it's going to start raining again. So yep, if you didn't know, I didn't vlog for the rest of Tuesday and yesterday. It's probably because it didn't rain. So Santiago.
Vlog?
Yeah, I'm vlogging because of the rain.
So you're gonna vlog every time it rains?
Yeah, no rain means no vlog. In case you've seen it on Snapchat,
Yeah, I saw you.
I don't want my phone to get wet anyways. We should be in already. But I don't know about so yeah, tomorrow, I don't know because no extra credits, so yeah. See ya in a bit. So yeah, in case you missed it, yesterday I didn't vlog. Tom Hanks tested positive for coronavirus. Trump restricted travel to Europe. I know about the Great Britain. So yeah, and NBA is canceled for the rest of the season. So yep, it is already raining, and I don't think you cannot see it. It might be a rainy week. And yep, I think it should be rain for possibly a while anyways. I don't know about the next week or so, but I know Sunday it might not be raining, it might change. So yep, I explained on Snapchat, no rain means no vlog. Yesterday I didn't vlog and I already told you about it. So yeah, I know it's going to rain next year, so yes, see ya. Yeah, but right now speaking, I forgot to record 2 periods. So anyways, I seen cocaine and marijuana. I did not get caught seeing that. So yeah. Oh, and NHL, National Hockey League is canceling the rest of the season. Just now from KSDK from St. Louis, Missouri. So yeah. I feel my phone might get wet. So see ya. So yeah, right now it's raining. Most people have gone inside. So anyways, Probably not that many people for possibly a while. I know about next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There's the mermaids. I know about the weekend countdown, but I might postpone it. I might postpone the weekend countdown. Although I'm still going to hear Spider Harrison. Oh, morning mashup became what I'm going to use. But Monday and Tuesday will be will be normal. So I don't know if I'm going to postpone the weekend countdown this next week. I hope I'm not going to hear some thunder in this vlog. Yep, we'll see. And yep, anyways, I don't know, NHL, MLB, NBA, MLS, they have to cancel out because of the riots happening nearby. Started from Utah Jazz. Even though I do not watch Utah Jazz, besides I won Kobe game final. Yeah, in case I missed it. So yeah, I know about the betrayal, but it might be canceled. March Madness is still going to be on, except for March Madness, there will be no spectators. Although there's going to be high amounts of views on television, higher than possibly by different than Super Bowl. There are no cases found in the Super Bowl anyway. So yeah. Oh yeah, I gave you a hint. I'm always listening to music most of the day, but the only thing I don't listen to is first gear because of weight trains. So the music, so I don't listen to that then. So I skip first period music. So yeah, no music first period, but music the rest of the day. So yeah, I give you a hint. Maybe what? I'm trying to not get my earbuds wet. So I can give you a tutorial how I can hide it. Shouldn't work front pocket instead. That tape. So I have to check my Insta. So yeah, see ya in the wild. So yeah, it's pretty crowded. I haven't been at lunch before besides drama project.
No, it's my turn.
I blocked you.
So yeah, I'm sorry for it. It's too crowded. So anyways,
Blue. I said blue. No,
I
changed it.
and the uniform I'm not showing you.
Card.
Oh.
Because I have blue.
You don't have blue?
Pick a card. Go. If you pick 4, we're done.
Western Washington,
Blue?
DC, marijuana.
Perfect. I love you, bro. You're a cheater. A lot of cards.
So yep, anyways,
I only have 6. I need one more. I have 16.
Yeah, bitch, get one.
yeah, I get one.
Go.
I'm standing up because you guys want to be cheaters. Then don't fucking look at my cards.
Oh, I was censored by
I go
CCP.
first. No, actually, one of you guys go first. You're next.
Really?
Bitch.
Oh, Jason, do you want to play?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
And we're over here like making noises and shit. Go.
You guys skipped me. Yeah.
Yeah, because he put. Why you put the skip card?
What number is that?
9.
Why are there 2 different greens? Now you have to get 2 cards.
Yeah, 2 cards.
Shit, you tell him, Jason. Oh, you're vlogging us?
Yeah.
Jason, delete that. You're gonna delete it. Yeah, get deleted, please. Bitch, the camera's just at me.
Go.
No, I didn't.
It's okay, Jason.
I'm facing out the card.
It was your turn, no?
I got a question.
My turn.
So anyways, the bell's about to ring.
Get ready, shit.
This is probably crowded than a typical terminal at the LAX airport.
You guys are fucking cheaters.
Yeah.
Go.
I'm going.
It's your turn.
I hacked people on the game. Yeah. It's gonna be way crowded for a while, guys.
Boom! Go! Dude! Bitch, these are all yours.
Yeah, these are yours.
Boom! I'm gonna put these
Boom! Boom!
Yes. Yeah, you get 4 cards.
Yellow. You need to get a yellow. Yellow.
Yeah, I need to get yeah before I'm going to run you over in the car.
Boom!
Boom.
Boom, bitch.
Boom.
Dios.
Yeah, see you in hell, Uno. So yeah, I want you to know that my district is going to have a board meeting after school, possibly when my middle school is out. Possibly when middle school is out by 3:15. And I heard that one of the students just told me that some guy I know we got tested positive, and they have to cancel. I don't know about spring sports; they might cancel, or maybe Google. So yep, we might see some of the sites may be postponed, including Fruit Roost that I heard from Emory School. They did it anyways. And then they turned out 5th period. I was in a different room at that time and they got postponed by the time we walk in. So I might going to make a coronavirus update. Possibly possibly in the middle of my vlog, rainy vlog. I might turn it into a separate video. And the coronavirus, and because of it, it might go on ahead by the time it might be uploaded. So yep, so there will be other things to do, including this. And then I got texted that says minimal contact. March Madness got canceled. I got a notification from we are iOS. So yeah, I have to be careful about it. So I'm going to make a coronavirus update in the middle of the vlog. Or I'm going to combine these into one video. It might be an hour vlog, so it's going to be longer than a show or a movie. So yeah. So that's one of the times it will be unexpected. Well, I can separate two apps, not including this vlog. So yeah, see. I might not go anywhere this weekend, but I'm still going to vlog. Hey guys, it's me. So yeah, I just got an update that some couple school districts in Houston got closed. Fort Bend ISD had to close for 2 weeks. Gallery Park ISD had to be closed after spring break, starting next week. So yeah, I think I'm going to provide an update and a rainy vlog at the same time. Then after that, I'm going to publish into the series part. So this is episode 1. So yeah, it's almost time for me to go when the bell rings. I might not be able to hear all these announcements because I might not be there. Even though there will be some even though there's going to be some highlights about it. But I don't know about the announcements, so I will listen to the announcement instead. So yep, see ya. So yeah, my dad says I have to post. My dad's going to post it with Sylvan. That means my vlog for Sylvan will also be cancelled. So the countdown will be removed for temporary reasons. I know about Houston, so we'll see. So yeah, today is Friday. I think it didn't rain the rest of yesterday, but you missed out some of the snaps. Hey. So yeah. Anyways, I think it might rain. So I'm giving up a head start right now it's sprinkling, so I might vlog or shouldn't. So we'll see. And occasionally, the Bell County in Texas has the first coronavirus happening there. So yeah. Anyway, I should go next. I didn't see my best friend for a couple days now. Where did everyone go? So yeah, it's probably 11:50 something. It's been 4 hours since I recorded it. Because I didn't record first period as usual. Because I haven't recorded anything from first. Also, I don't use earbuds first period.
Is that your vlog?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm not gonna touch you.
So anyways, yep. So anyways, I'm still going to vlog anyways until rain season starts. Except I might end up getting interfered with the coronavirus. And there are so many cancellations, I would tell you, on the final day of my vlogging. So yep, see ya. Other than NCAA, other than NASCAR, without spectators, Premier League, I don't know about WWE, so yep, see ya. If it rains again. Oh yeah, I forgot. I know I read that many people go. I said this is in South Korea. Why are so many colleges here?
Why are you standing?
I swear this is in Busan. Or else my media would get censored by government. And I don't know if the school's going to postpone. Just because the district wants to know how the school's going to go, that doesn't mean I'm going to stop vlogging. So yeah. Anyways, since I told you that my Savant trip will be cancelled, it might move to the end of this year, Texas. Possibly by the end of this year. Possibly by Christmas, if it came worse. Some guy from I saw a video that says it could be better in April, but in reality it might not. So yeah, more than SARS in 03. I wasn't born by then. So yeah, see ya in a short time. So yeah, it's about to get rainy. It's about to get rainy anyway, so you see I'm in the shadow right now. Okay guys, the school's gonna be closed for 3 weeks. So yeah, okay, bye.
Bye, bro.
Bye. Bye, see you in April. So yep, I just informed that the school is going to be closed for 3 weeks. But I'm still have to vlog anyways for the rain. I'm going to separate into 2 videos because of this.
Take your time walking to my car so I can take everything out of it.
This is why we're using free.
So, they're closing down the school for 2 weeks, and then I believe they're still leaving spring break. So you're expected to do work at home from your teachers for 2 weeks, and then you get your break, and then we'll find out, we'll have updates between now and then. Make sure that you are on the correct Google Classroom. I put,
Oh yay! So yeah, I just informed that it's 3 weeks, including spring break. So that means I might go suspend the vlogging. I might go and suspend some redder parts, but I might not. No. So yeah, see ya in the So yeah, in case you didn't know, the school is going to be closed. I'm happy about the school closures. I'm excited. I would play schools out for summer except it's March. So yeah. So yeah, they force some people, a lot of teachers force us to use school classroom except for PE. There's no assignments for PE. I was thinking about the maxes for weight training, so but we have to move to April. So yeah. Anyways, it might be my. So anyways, I'm going to vlog still, but I'm not going to be at school. So yeah. Second period doesn't have Google Classroom. Third period is the same thing. Fourth and fifth. I don't know, sixth. They want us to do the cover for Adele, Beyonce, and some third one, but I was thinking about playing some ballads by saying Trampoline by Shade prior to this. So yeah, anyways, I'm still going to be here, but I'm going to be vlogging at school for a while for the rest of this month. No, so long till further notice. No, no. I know about Texas, so we'll see. So yep, this probably reminds me of SARS, even though I wasn't born. So yep, see ya in a bit. So yeah, in case you missed it, I just got informed that the Gavin Newsom, if you're not from California anyways, yeah, if you have to go home or work from home. So anyways, this is no Pennsylvania. Schools had to be closed out in private. Pennsylvania governor. So yeah, anyways, since it's almost time to go, we're running out of time. Every sports got suspended. The schools are going to be closed. So yeah, anyways, so yeah, there's even more, but I will see ya in a bit. So yeah, anyways, I will still continue the rainy vlog. I will still continue, but on a separate vid. So,
Are you on a vlog?
yeah. Okay, bye, Patty.
Bye, Jason.
Hey, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, hey, bye. Bye, Johnny.
Stay safe. Stay healthy.
Yay.
Wash your hands.
Okay, bye.
Hey, wait, get me. Wash your hands, hand sanitizer. Cause it's Corona time.
Cough into your elbow.
Hey.
Elbow.
Yeah, not like, you
Dab
know,
it up.
you gotta go like this.
Yeah. That's the Everbrain. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Bye, Jesse. Okay, bye. 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 So yeah, this is my last time vlogging. Don't worry, I'm still going to post it on a separate vid. So yeah, that's it. So stay tuned. So bye guys, I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you guys, but don't worry, I'm still going to vlog. So yeah, I will be back in school in 3 weeks from now. So yeah, goodbye. Oh yeah, hold up. Hold up. Okay, bye, Mount K.
Bye, Jason.
Bye, Alejandra. So yeah, I'm gonna be gone for 3 weeks, and see you in 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm still vlogging, so don't worry, I'm still gonna be here.